Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to force quit the application of Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. If you want to force quit the Adobe Premiere Pro application, the method varies depending on your operating system. All right. If you're using the Mac, it's kind of different because I'm using a Windows. You just have to force quit via the Apple menu. Now, if you're using Mac, just follow these instructions. Click the Apple logo on the top left corner of your screen. Select force quit. In the force quit applications window, select Adobe Premiere Pro and click force quit. All right. Now, in my case, I'm using basically Windows. All I have to do is click the task manager. All right. For the task manager to appear, press the Control plus Shift plus Escape or Control plus Alt plus Delete button on your task on your computer. All right. What will happen is you will see a list of the applications that need to be checked on the Processes tab right here. If you see the Adobe Premiere Pro, right click on it and click the End Task. It's very easy, and the Adobe Premiere Pro will be closed and removed from the unresponsive series of applications. All right. Now, if the Adobe Premiere Pro keeps on crashing, it's being responsive all the time, I want you to locate the folder that you have installed it. Right click on the application and click the properties, and you will be given this kind of window. All right. Now, all you have to do is go to the compatibility option right here, and then click these options: disable full screen optimizations, run this program as an administrator, and click apply and click on OK. All right. Now, once you do that, you would be able to make sure that all the time Adobe Premiere Pro operates, it'll not gonna be having any more issues. All right. And these methods will close Premiere Pro, but be aware that any unsaved work may be lost. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.